Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain from Bluehost to Godaddy. Let's get started. First, go to Bluehost and log in your account. This section will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Domains from the left panel, then look for the domain name you want to transfer. Next, you need to make sure that the toggle for domain locked is disabled. Then under this Transfer to a new registrar section, click on Request Auth Code. Bluehost will provide a code for you, which you will copy. Next, go to GoDaddy and click on Domains from the navigation menu. Then click on Transfer Domain Names from the drop-down menu. In this new page, type in this field the domain name you want to transfer, then click on Search. In this next page, just paste in this field the code Bluehost provided for you, then click on Continue down here. Lastly, you just have to pay for your new domain name. And that is how you can transfer your domain from Bluehost to GoDaddy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.